The 2024 Bentley Batur is a marvel of automotive engineering and design, a true testament to Bentley's commitment to luxury, performance, and exclusivity. With a price tag of $2.1 million, this vehicle is not for the faint of heart or light of wallet, but for those fortunate enough to afford it. The Batur offers an unparalleled driving experience. Driving the Batur through the scenic routes of Spain's Canary Islands is an experience in itself. The car's design, reminiscent of a resting predator, is bound to turn heads and freeze onlookers in their tracks. Bentley has produced only 2 prototypes, with a limited production run of just 18 units. This exclusivity is a nod to Bentley's legendary 12-cylinder engine, which is soon to be phased out, and a hint at the brand's electric future. In terms of exclusivity, the Batur stands out even among the elite. Its limited production makes other luxury vehicles like the Pagani Utopias and Koenigsegg Gemera seem almost ordinary. However, beneath its unique exterior, the Batur shares many of its mechanical components with the more accessible Bentley Continental GT Speed. This includes features like the rear-biased all-wheel drive and the rear-wheel steering system. Externally, the Batur boasts a unique design with most of its elements distinct from the Continental GT. Its fenders and quarter panels are crafted from carbon fiber, seamlessly molded to the aluminum roof. The headlight assemblies are exclusive to the Batur, emphasizing its bespoke nature. Each Batur is handcrafted by Mulliner in Crewe, England, taking roughly 8 months for completion. Under the hood, the Batur is powered by a twin-turbocharged 6-liter W12 engine, the most potent version Bentley has ever produced. This powerhouse delivers a staggering 740 horsepower and can reach top speeds of 209 miles per hour. The vehicle's performance on the road is nothing short of breathtaking, with its power delivery resembling a tidal wave and its braking system ensuring safety and control. Inside, the Batur is a masterpiece of luxury and craftsmanship. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the carbon fiber trim that fades into a body color matching purple sector to the 3D printed 18-karat gold surround on the drive mode dial. Even the minutest components, like the brake pedal arm, are crafted from premium materials like carbon fiber. The Batur is not just a farewell to Bentley's iconic 12-cylinder engine, it's also an introduction to the brand's electric future. By 2030, Bentley plans to transition to an all-electric lineup, and the Batur's front fascia offers a glimpse of what's to come. It leaves one wondering if an electric Bentley can evoke the same emotions as its gasoline-powered predecessors. In terms of specifications, the 2024 Bentley Batur is a front-engine, all-wheel drive coupe. The vehicle is equipped with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The Batur's development journey has been rigorous, undergoing extensive testing to ensure it meets Bentley's high standards of performance and durability. From high-speed tests to exposure to extreme conditions, the Batur has been put through its paces. Over 800 unique components have been tested, with the vehicle's W12 engine representing the pinnacle of Bentley's powertrain evolution. The 2024 Bentley Batur is a symbol of luxury, power, and exclusivity. It represents the culmination of Bentley's engineering prowess and a nod to its rich heritage. For those lucky few who get to own one of the 18 units, the Batur is not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. The Batur's journey from concept to reality is a testament to Bentley's dedication to perfection. The development vehicles, Car 0 and Car 00, underwent rigorous testing, ensuring that even the bespoke finishes and unique components could withstand the test of time. The purple sector and Marina Teal finishes, for instance, were not just chosen for their aesthetic appeal, but also for their durability. These cars were subjected to conditions ranging from high-speed circuits to the harshest environmental exposures, ensuring that every Batur owner receives a vehicle that's as resilient as it is beautiful. Another noteworthy aspect of the Batur is its nod to sustainability. While Bentley is known for its luxury and performance, the brand is also making strides in ensuring its vehicles are environmentally conscious. The Batur's construction uses sustainable materials, ensuring that even in its opulence, the car does not compromise on eco-friendliness. This commitment is further highlighted by Bentley's ambitious goal to become fully electric by 2030, signaling a future where luxury and sustainability go hand in hand. The Batur's coach-building process heralds a new era for Bentley. Mulliner, Bentley's in-house customization division, offers Batur owners an unprecedented level of personalization. With advanced technologies and sustainable materials at their disposal, Mulliner provides a near-infinite palette of choices. From the 18CT yellow-gold options for the Charisma dial to the organ-stop air vent control, every detail can be tailored to the owner's preference. This level of customization ensures that each of the 18 Batur units is not just a car, but a reflection of its owner's personality and tastes. The anticipation surrounding the Batur's release is palpable. All 18 units have already been reserved, indicating the high demand for this limited edition masterpiece. Each reservation begins a journey of co-creation, where the owner works closely with Mulliner's design team to craft their dream car. This collaborative process ensures that every Batur is unique, with its color, finish, and even the minutest details reflecting the owner's vision. In the grand tapestry of automotive history, the 2024 Bentley Batur is set to be a shining thread. It encapsulates Bentley's past, present, and future, serving as a bridge between the brand's storied heritage and its ambitious vision for the future. For those who get to experience the Batur, whether as an owner or a fortunate onlooker, it offers a glimpse into the pinnacle of automotive luxury and innovation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.